How to make GIF profile pic on TikTok 2025 step-by-step guide. The first thing you want to do is prepare your GIF or video. TikTok only supports video files, MP4, as animated profile pictures, so convert your GIF to a short video, 3 to 6 seconds long, with a 1:1 square aspect ratio. You can use online tools like Capwing or apps like FlexClip to convert and edit your GIF into a looping MP4 video. Then open TikTok and go to your profile. Launch the TikTok app and then click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then tap Edit Profile and then tap Change Video instead of Change Photo. Then select the MP4 video version of your GIF from your gallery or camera roll. TikTok allows trimming if your video is longer than 6 seconds. Adjust if needed and then tap Save or Confirm. Then check your profile. So your profile pic will now be animated, showing the GIF as a looping video. Subscribe.